Applications of enzymes. Now, besides catalyzing a wide variety of biological reactions essential to stay in life, enzymes find uses in various fields, most notably in medicines, analysis, and industries. Certain diseases are caused by the deficiency of enzymes, which can be treated by giving them through diet. Enzymes can also be used in the treatment of various diseases. Common enzyme deficiency diseases like ketonuria, enzyme deficiencies phenylalanine hydroxylase. And what are the symptoms? Congenital disease results in accumulation compounds in the body, leading to brain damage or mental retardation in children. Albuminism, triosinase. This is the enzyme deficiency. Enzymes are used in analysis and for diagnostic purpose. For example, methods are available using enzymes in the detection of alcohol in automobiles, drivers, and glucose level in diabetic patients. In treatment of various diseases, streptokinase, treatment of heart patient of dissolved blood clot. Penicillinase, treatment of persons allergic to penicillin. Lysozyme, treatment of eye infection. Asparaginase, treatment of some type of leukemia. Enzymes are very useful in industries. For example, in manufacturing of beer and wine, the enzyme amylase hydrolyzes carbohydrates. The enzyme pepsin is used to tenderize meat, which partially breaks down muscle proteins. Rennin, also to protease. Enzyme is added to milk to separate and so-called curds, and where the precipitated protein curd is used to make cheese. An important application of enzymes to food industries is to produce high fructose corn syrup from cornstarch. Nucleic acids like proteins the polysaccharides, nucleic acids, RNA, ribonucleic acid, and DNA, deoxyribonucleic acid, are also biological polymers. These are the major constituents of nucleus of a cell, where they are found in high concentration. Nucleic acids are substances which control heredity. The structures of nucleic acids are quite complex. These are made up of sugars, ribose in case of ribonucleic acid, and deoxyribose in deoxyribonucleic acid. 4 bases, 3 bases adenine, guanine, cytosine are common in both DNA and RNA acids, whereas uracil is present in RNA and thiamine is present in DNA. And third one is phosphoric acid. The various class of compounds from these combinations are sugar plus base, it form nucleoside, means sugar plus nitrogenous base, it form nucleoside. Then sugar plus nitrogenous base plus phosphoric acid, it form nucleotide. Or sugar plus base plus phosphoric acid n times, it form nucleic acids. DNA is called the master molecule since it plays the key role in life processes. It supplies the cell with information and instructions on how to prepare certain proteins, and thus controls the manufacture of proteins. RNA plays an important role in the synthesis of proteins. A nucleoside made up of sugar, ribose, and a base adenine is called adenosine. Similarly, the corresponding nucleotide, ribose plus adenine plus phosphoric acid, is called adenalic acid. The components of nucleic acids are sugars. Now this is beta D ribose sugar. And beta 2 deoxyribose. Now what are the bases? Bases are pyrimidine, cytosine, thiamine, and uracil. These are the pyrimidine bases. Now what are purine bases? Adenine, guanine are the purine bases. Now phosphoric acid, this is phosphoric acid, this one, H3PO4. Adenosine, a nucleoside, it contains the sugar and nitrogenous base. But nucleotide contains sugar, nitrogenous base, and a phosphoric group. So a schematic structure for the nucleic acid polynucleotides can be shown as follows. Sugar base 1 phosphate group, sugar base 2 phosphate group, sugar base 3 phosphate group, and sugar base 4. So these are the structures for the nucleic acids. Now RNA are of three types. All these three types are made from RNA or DNA. Messenger RNA, messenger ribonucleic acid. The size of messenger RNA depends upon the size of the protein it is directed to make. Function: it carries the genetic information from DNA to ribosomes. rRNA, ribosomal ribonucleic acid. rRNA is the largest in size and amount of the three types of RNA, about 60 to 80% of total RNA in the cell in rRNA. rRNA combines with proteins to form ribosomes, which are intracellular substances where proteins are synthesized. Transfer RNA. This RNA is the smallest of the three kinds of RNA. Each RNA molecule consists of around 100 nucleotides in a single chain. Its function is to carry the amino acid to ribosomes to be incorporated into the proteins.